Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Umakhwela expresses hurt after being blocked from entering Mselegu's homestead. Makhwela, poised to become Musa's fifth wife, has voiced her deep hurt after being denied entry into the family homestead. A decision she attributes to be fan opposition of Mayeni and Mangwabe. Two wives have made their stance clear, expressing a desire to keep their distance from Makhwela, particularly during a recent ceremony where they felt introduction was intimately. This clash has not only stirred the family dynamic but also ignited discussions among viewers about loyalty, inclusion, and the limit of acceptance. Makhwela's sense of rejection centers on her exclusion from the homestead, a space symbolic of unity in the Mselegu family. Her hurt is compounded by the context of the ceremony, which she likely saw as a crucial moment for her integration. However, Mayeni and Mangwabe viewed her presence as unnecessary, believing the occasion should not double as her formal introduction. This disagreement exposes the underlying tension within Musa's polygamous setup, where each wife's role is forcefully guarded. Thandune's Tembu has long showcased these dynamics, with Musa's ambition to expand his family often clashing with the emotional realities of the existing marriages. For Makhwela, there's not feeling personal, amplifying her struggle to find a foothold in an already intricate web of relationships. The ceremony itself added a layer of expression to the story. Such events in polygamous households often carry cultural weight, serving as milestones that reinforce family bonds. Kwela, on the other hand, may have anticipated the occasion as a chance of bridge the gap, only to find herself sidelined. Her hurt reflects not just a moment of exclusion, but a deeper uncertainty about her future in the Mselegu fold. Reflecting on this, one cannot help but sympathize with Makhwela's plight. Being caught in the crossfire of family politics is not easy feat, and her emotional response humanized the often sensationalized portrayal of polygamy on TV. That said, Mayeni and Mangwabe's perspective isn't within merit. Introducing a new wife during a ceremony couldn't feel like an imposition, overshadowing its intended purpose. In my view, this standoff reveals a flaw of Musa's approach, pushing forward without ensuring a general agreement. Fallout could reshape the family's trajectory, testing the resilience of their bonds. As Uthandune's Tembu peels back those layers, it leaves us pondering the delicate balance of tradition and personal agency. Will Makhwela's hurt pave the way to reconciliation, or will it deepen the rift? The answers lie in the unfolding drama, keeping audience hooked on this raw explosion of love and competition. What are your thoughts on this matter? Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.